Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to download Microsoft Teams on a laptop. First thing that you will do is simply go to the start menu and open any web browser that you have on your laptop. And now from here, just simply select this one and just simply search for Microsoft Teams. And after that, you could just simply select the third one over here, download MS Teams. Just simply select this one. And now from here, you will have an option, download Microsoft Teams for Windows. Just simply click on this icon and a pop-up will show up over here, and just simply select the downloads icon and just simply go for the folder icon over here, show in folder, and now just simply right click on it. Just simply select run as administrator. Just simply select yes, and after that it will set up for you. And now as you can see, it will download the Microsoft Teams automatically, and just simply wait for it to get set up. And if prompted, guys, you could just simply sign in into your account and you should be able to use the Microsoft Teams, as you can see, as it loads itself and set up everything for you. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.